Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to create a ticket on behalf of a requester in BoldDesk. I will show you how to create a ticket through the agent portal or a support email, and the option required to use the original sender as the requester for forwarded emails. Creating tickets on behalf of a requester is a functionality exclusive to agents and can be done via the agent portal or support emails. First, let me show you how to create a ticket via the agent portal. Sign into your BoldDesk account as an agent. Then, click Create and select Ticket. A ticket creation form will open, where you provide the ticket details. In the Requester field, select the ticket requester from the drop-down list, which includes both agents and contacts. You can use the hash or # to search for contacts, or the @ suffix to search for an agent in the list. If the requester contact is not available, you can add a new user using the Add New Contact option. A page will open where you'll fill in the basic contact details like name and email ID. Note that only the agents with Add New Contact at the time of ticket creation permission assigned to their roles can add contacts when creating tickets. Once the ticket details are provided, click the Create button to create the ticket. An invitation or activation email will be sent to the newly added contact. Next, let me now show you how to create a ticket on behalf of a requester through a support email. With Email Action Support, agents can create a ticket on behalf of a requester. To set a ticket requester, use the command #requester and provide a valid email address for the contact in the email body. To learn more about how to use email actions to update ticket properties via email, follow the link in the card above or description below. Finally, let me show you the settings required to use the original sender of an email as a ticket requester for forwarded email tickets. The original sender can be added as the ticket requester for a created ticket when an email is forwarded to the support address. To configure this setting, open the Admin Center and navigate to Emails under the Channels section. Then, open the Configuration tab and enable the Use the original sender as the requester for forwarded emails option. In this video, I explained how to create a ticket on behalf of a requester through the agent portal and support emails. I also explained the setting required to use the original sender as the requester for forwarded emails. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.